Expand your workspace with StarTech.com's Triple-Monitor USB4 Docking Station. It can connect up to 3 4K 60Hz displays with either HDMI or DisplayPort for enhanced productivity through a single USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 port on your laptop. Powered by your GPU for uncompressed high-performance visuals, ideal for creative tasks such as graphic design or video editing in business and office environments. Its plug-and-play driverless installation provides easy deployment on Windows and ChromeOS, providing power, display, and peripherals through a single cable connection for scalable zero-touch rollouts across shared workspaces or corporate environments. It has a built-in 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for high-speed networking, supporting large file transfers, and supports Pixie Boot and Wake on LAN for IT-managed deployments. For physical security, it features built-in lock slots and has VESA mounting compatibility with our sold separately mounting brackets to keep the dock secured and out of the way. Our docking station provides up to 100 watts host charging using power delivery with the included 3-foot USB-C screw lock host cable to prevent accidental disconnections. It has 6 10 gigabit per second USB ports, including an 18-watt power delivery port to charge tablets and phones, and includes a 3.5mm headset combo jack. Our docking stations are rigorously tested in our innovation lab to ensure enterprise-grade reliability and cross-platform compatibility. Included is a 180-watt power adapter to ensure full laptop charging and simultaneous powering of all connected USB peripherals. As the IT professional's choice since 1985, our Triple-Monitor USB4 Docking Station is backed by a 3-year warranty and has lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our docking stations through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.